The human body can live without food for more than 3 weeks, but water is a completely different story. More than just 3 days without water can be fatal. Despite its importance, most people keep drinking soft drinks, tea, and coffee instead of water. Have you ever thought about what might happen if you replaced all your drinks with water? Water constitutes about 60% of the human body and nearly 75 to 80% of the most important organ, the brain. When water is deficient, concentration decreases, memory weakens, sleep problems appear, and attention disorders may develop. Water provides necessary energy for the brain, enhances oxygen flow, raises attention levels, and maintains mental performance in its most efficient form. Heart disease is sometimes called the silent killer. According to the American Heart Association, about 2,200 Americans die every day due to cardiovascular diseases. Studies have proven a strong relationship between water and heart health, including research confirming that drinking water is as important as exercising, choosing healthy food, and avoiding smoking. Drinking just 5 cups of water daily reduces the risk of heart attacks by 41%. Scientists confirm a direct link between drinking water and removing toxins from the body. The kidneys, which are responsible for expelling toxins, cannot perform effectively with low water intake. Toxins begin to accumulate, causing problems such as obesity, heart disease, premature aging, and several other conditions. Replacing all drinks with water helps the body expel toxins more quickly and with higher efficiency, providing greater protection from disease. Metabolism is the process of converting food into energy. It requires digesting food, absorbing its nutrients, and storing it. When this process slows down, energy levels drop. Drinking 2 cups of water in the morning on an empty stomach raises the metabolic rate by 24%. If water intake is low and the kidneys are unable to filter and expel toxins, the liver intervenes at the expense of its primary tasks, including assisting in metabolism. This leads to sluggishness and constant fatigue, even without illness. Without water, the body cannot break down fats and oils, whether newly consumed or already stored. Water assists metabolism, increases energy, and encourages physical effort, which benefits overall health. Water also acts like a lie detector. Often people feel hungry, but it may actually be thirst. When hunger strikes, the first step should be to drink water. If hunger remains, then it is real. If not, it was confusion of sensations. This reduces unnecessary snacks and small meals, greatly accelerating weight loss. Another important topic is cost. Consider how much is spent monthly on coffee, juices, and soft drinks. Water is much cheaper than any drink and protects health from many diseases that come from sugary or processed beverages. The next time you are in a cafe or supermarket, think twice about what you choose to drink. Water is simple, affordable, and essential, yet many forget how powerful it can be for the body and mind. Small daily choices, like choosing water over other drinks, can transform health, energy, and clarity. Change begins with awareness, and every glass of water is a step toward better living. If you enjoy exploring ideas like this, support our work, like this video, and subscribe to Rethink Real, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming episodes. Your engagement helps us continue creating thoughtful content that examines the hidden forces shaping our world.